Alfalfa is a key crop in our crop production systems in the US, particularly in the upper Midwest. We've been having lots of troubles with establishment of these due to various issues, and one issue is herbicide carryover, and that's what I want to talk to you today about. We use a lot of different range of herbicides, and they provide effective weed control in our other crops. When we rotate to alfalfa, sometimes we forget about the carryover or how long those products persist in the soil. And while we may not think that may have an issue, it can dramatically impact alfalfa growth and productivity. Here's just a simple example that highlights this, where we apply different rates of the active ingredient clopyralid. This is common in many of our corn herbicides, such as Stinger and Resicor. And what we found is we mix different concentrations of herbicides in the soil in these pots, and then we planted 15 alfalfa seeds into these plants and let them grow for 3 weeks. And what you see here is when we get to higher rates, such as 50 parts per million, we're seeing total elimination of all alfalfa plants in that soil. None of them germinated. Whereas lower rates, they did germinate. We are seeing some slight mortality. It may look like they can tolerate some of these ranges, but I want to emphasize we're talking about 400 parts per billion, 100 parts per billion, and even 40 parts per billion, where we are seeing some small impacts. So again, we have to watch out for those residual products, read that crop rotation restrictions, and make sure we follow it so we don't end up with this problem. Thank you.